what's up, and welcome to It Squad. You guys are tuning into the biggest tween show in the land of Mzansi. My name is Imran, and as you guys know, ek is nooit alleen nie. Mello, what's up, girl?
Yes. What's up, Samanani Jimalani? I'm Shiri. Hello, welcome to it. As you know, this is your favorite tween show right here on SABC 3. As always, here on the Hectic Hangout.
Yes.
We're joined by a cool and awesome squad today. Squad members, can I get a whoop whoop? Hey, great energy.
Having so much fun. Today is International Pancake Day, and that's why we are out here doing the absolute most. And having fun with pancakes. And I don't know from our squad members, right? What are my favorite topics? I see everyone is putting everything on. I'm gonna start over there.
Go busy. What's your name and what's your favorite topic? Let's start this way.
My name is Ella, and my favorite topic would have
Topping.
is cinnamon sugar.
Cinnamon sugar, nice.
My name is Tegan, and my favorite topping is chocolate spread.
Chocolate spread, okay.
My name is Taylor, and my favorite topping is ice cream.
Ice cream,
ice
delicious.
cream.
What's happening with your pancake there, my friend?
Ben, you know
like,
what?
it's so dry.
I'm so sorry. I'm just so excited about the show. But anyway, you know what I want to do, right? I want us all to do this together, right? I'm going to put some chocolate spread on mine and just going to roll it up.
Okay.
And we're all going to say Happy
Pancake Day.
Together, right?
All right.
So in 3, 2, 1. Happy Pancake Day!
Yes, man.
Okay.
It is Happy Pancake Day today. I see they're enjoying themselves. It's all delicious. No squad members, we love it when you chat to us on our WhatsApp number, which is 0786914710. That is the number to dial so you guys can join our big and happy Hectic family right here on the Hectic Hangout. We're speaking all things change today, and we're talking about all the changes that we go through.
Yes.
And it's just going to be so much fun. There's so much excitement. I see you guys enjoying your pancakes. Keep on enjoying it, because Emran is going to be sitting down and chatting to them, and we're going to be knowing more about change. This week we are asking you guys, what is your favorite animal that you love that has changed into something beautiful? I'm talking about a butterfly. It changes and becomes something beautiful. So my dear friend Emran, who is enjoying his pancake so much, you know what I'm saying? He's just enjoying it so very much that he's standing by, and we're going to find out a little bit more from our squad members about the changes that they have been through right after this.